Hello to all. I am Dr. Ajay Kumar Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss chemical composition of jackfruits. Chemical composition of jackfruits, also known as Artocarpus heterophyllus. Its scientific name is Artocarpus heterophyllus. Jackfruits contains many amino acids. There are various type of amino acids, but in jackfruits, after chemical analysis, it was found that many important amino acids are found here, like arginine, cysteine, histidine, leucine, lysine, methionine, threonine, and tryptophan. The flesh of ripe jackfruits contain 1.9 gram protein per 100 gram. 1.9 gram protein is found per 100 gram of ripe flesh of jackfruits. The protein concentration of the jackfruit seeds may vary from 5.3 to 6.8%. The protein concentration of the jackfruit seeds may vary from 5.3 to 6.8%. Jackfruit flesh and seeds contain more protein, calcium, iron, and thiamine. Jackfruits contain many classes of phytochemicals such as carotenoids, flavonoids, volatile acids, sterols, and tannins with varying concentration of its concentration will vary, and exceptional medicinal value also. The exceptional medicinal value of Artocarpus has long been recognized. Jackfruits contains vitamins, many type of vitamins. Jackfruits contains many type of vitamins, as for example, vitamin A, vitamin C, B6, folic acid, thiamine, riboflavin. These vitamins, niacin also. Again, I am telling you that about the vitamins. Jackfruits contain vitamins A, vitamin C, B6, folic acid, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin. Actually, vitamins B6, niacin, riboflavin, and folic acids are especially important for healthy nervous system, and these are found in jackfruits. Jackfruit contains vitamin A, vitamin C, B6, folic acid, thiamine, riboflavin, and also it contains minerals like calcium, potassium, iron, sodium, zinc, among other nutrients. Now, jackfruits also contains many fatty acids, fatty acids, as for example, capric acid, myristic acid, lauric acid, palmitic acid, oleic acid, stearic acid, linoleic acid, and arachidonic acid. Again, I am telling you, these are the fatty acids found in jackfruits. This jackfruit contains capric fatty acids, myristic fatty acids, lauric fatty acids, palmitic fatty acids, oleic fatty acid, esteric fatty acid, linoleic fatty acid, and arachidonic fatty acids. These are found in jackfruits with varying proportions in different parts of jackfruits. And after the chemical analysis of jackfruits, it is found that water content is 6.04%. 6.04%. Ice content is 1.08%. And maximum, you can say, composition is of starch between 60 to 80%. Carbohydrate, it contains carbohydrate between 60 to 80%. And it has high starch content. And exactly it is, starch content is 70.22%. Exactly 70.22% starch. Correct? It means it will provide carbohydrate that will provide sugar like glucose, fructose. Correct? These are found from the starch only. And this amylose is also found there. Amylose, that is 16.39%. Amylase content is 16.39. And amylopectin content is also very high, 53.83%. 53.83% amylopectin. And protein, already I told you, it is actually 4.68%. Protein content is 4.68%. It is good, high. And fat content is very less. That is a 0.54%. Fat content in jackfruit is very less, 0.54%. And pH of jackfruits, it is found between 4.70 to 5.72, means acidic. It is, jackfruit is acidic, and its pH range is less than 7, that is between 4.70 to 5.72. pH less than 7 means acidic, 7 means neutral, and more than 7 up to 14, it is basic. But here pH value of jackfruit is found to be 4.70 to 5.72. Jackfruit can be harmful. Now very, very important point. Jackfruit can be harmful if you eat with milk or carbonated drink, like cold drinks. One should not eat it with milk or carbonated drink. This is very, very important. It may cause digestion and skin issue. You should also avoid drinking water after the consumption of jackfruits, as it can lead to diarrhea. Always one should avoid drinking water after the consumption of jackfruit, as it can lead to diarrhea. Diabetes patient or diabetic can eat jackfruits, but in moderation, in a less quantity only, because some substances in jackfruits have the effect of controlling blood sugar, but with a large amount of carbohydrate, jackfruits can also affect blood sugar levels. Now I am stopping only here. Thank you.